The Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a car. It's a symbol of American ingenuity, performance, and passion. Since its debut in 1953, the Corvette has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world, earning its place as America's sports car. With its sleek design, roaring engine, and cutting-edge technology, the Corvette represents the perfect blend of power and elegance. It's a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention. Over the decades, the Corvette has evolved, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the automotive industry. From its early days as a stylish roadster to the modern, mid-engine marvels like the C8, the Corvette has consistently redefined what a sports car can be. It's a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to innovation and excellence. The Corvette isn't just built for speed, it's built for the thrill of the drive, the joy of the open road, and the pursuit of perfection. But the Corvette is more than just a machine. It's a cultural icon. It's been featured in movies, celebrated in songs, and cherished by generations of drivers. Owning a Corvette isn't just about having a car, it's about being part of a legacy. It's about the roar of the engine, the feel of the steering wheel in your hands, and the freedom that comes with every mile. The Corvette is a dream realized, a symbol of success, and a reminder that with passion and determination, anything is possible. So, whether you're behind the wheel of a classic Stingray or the latest model, the Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a car. It's an experience. It's a celebration of American craftsmanship, a tribute to the spirit of innovation, and a timeless icon that continues to inspire. The Corvette isn't just a car, it's a legend. And that legend lives on, mile after mile, generation after generation.